Hello, welcome to QuickBooks Bumps and Benefits, Tips and Tricks. I'm Steve Resuta, CPA. I'm an accountant who helps small businesses save taxes and increase profits, and QuickBooks is one of my favorite tools to help you get that done. It keeps your books in order, and you can also look at it and see where you're at and where you're going. And today's big bump, especially for people coming from QuickBooks Desktop to online, is printing of invoices. I've gone over sending invoices in other videos. That's a real easy process with a preview button, as long as you have an email or possibly a cell phone. But there are times you need to print invoices out. In this case, here's another tip for you. You can bring up some previous invoices if you need to get back to something quick. So you emailed it, but they actually want a hard copy. You can go back in and pull up an invoice. And here's your invoice. And they have a print button right here. So it's print. If you're on your browser, it'll pull it up in a second preview screen, and right here is a print icon, or you can download a PDF. So if we hit print, I have it set for my PDF printer. If I want to send it to my regular printer, now if I use color paper or letterhead, here's the problem that happens. It'll just print to whatever drawer is picked on your printer. You actually have to go down here to more settings, and then there's more. You have to hit the Control-Shift-P to get back to the old settings, and we're still not done yet. We have to go down to more settings. In this case, we will now need to find, there's two tabs here, layout and paper quality. We need to find here and switch over to, my case, it's a manual feed because I use color paper for all my invoices, and then I can print it. It'll also give you then time to go put the paper into your manual feed tray and get it out. And again, those steps is once you're inside of an invoice and you save it, you do have to hit save. You hit print. Hit print again. Again, a lot of bumps here to get to where you want to go. Again, you can save or you can print. And we're still not done yet. We have to go to more settings, the Control-Shift-P, which is again more settings to get you back to the old format in Windows. And we're still not done. We got to hit more settings again and go over to the paper and quality tab and go to manual feed, or you can pick a different drawer if you have your color paper and so on in a different drawer. In this case, I'm sending it to my manual feed. And we print. We can go put our paper in, hit the button, and we're all set. So that's it for today. The last video I did was on printing checks out in QuickBooks. Now I did one on invoicing. So similar process. So once you figure one out, you'll be able to figure them all out. Until next time, like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you. Have a nice day.